I am going to show you how to do the daily maintenance routine for the Epson 2100. So I get a lot of questions about how to do maintenance on DTF and DTG printers, and I will say that this one is really relatively easy. You do not need to keep your computer nearby. You can do everything directly on the Epson, and if you are nervous about what you need to do or can't remember what you need to do not worry. Epson includes a maintenance schedule that is broken down by daily, weekly, monthly, as needed, and if you are going to put your printer in long-term storage. So what's really nice is there's just 3 steps. It'll take you about 5 minutes, and most of that is hands-off when you are doing the daily maintenance. So the first thing that you need to do for daily maintenance, as it says right here on the chart, and if you need more information about what it means to shake your white ink cartridge or any of that, you can go to the green page. This is included with all Epson printers, so it's really great. And it's going to tell you every 24 hours, shake your printer's white ink. And it's actually going to tell you, so if you have had your printer turned off, or even not, every 24 hours up here, you're going to get a warning that says, shake your white ink. So all you're going to do, open this left side carriage. You have your 2 white inks are right here. You're just going to take them each out and just do a little relatively gentle shake. You do not want to get any bubbles in the white ink because that's where you get nozzles that like you are missing. If you sometimes see like a random nozzle, if you do a nozzle check and sometimes have a random missing one, it can sometimes just be a white or an air bubble. Okay, so you're going to want to do that with both of your white inks. All right. Then what you're going to do is you are going to go onto the screen up here. It's not a touch screen, but it will tell you exactly what to do. You're going to click the right arrow button to click menu. The first option on the menu button or on the menu screen is maintenance. So you're going to click the arrow again because the arrow is going to be proceed. Sometimes it says proceed, sometimes it says okay. So just pay attention to that. You're going to click menu. Then it's going to say nozzle check. So if you are ready to do your nozzle check, you will do it directly on the Platen. So you don't need to waste a garment. You don't need to waste a piece of paper. You don't even need to waste a piece of DTF film if you're doing, mostly that. You can print directly on your Platen, which is great. So we want to do a nozzle check. So we'll just click proceed. It's asking, are you sure you want to do a nozzle check? And we're going to say okay. So it's going to begin the process to do the nozzle check. It actually is telling me place a piece of paper on the Platen. Again, you do not need to do that. You can do it directly on here. So just advance forward by saying okay. The Platen is going to move back into the printer. This will take like a minute or 2, if that. Okay, and then what it's going to do is it's going to print directly on here. It will have the nozzle check directly on this Platen that you can evaluate if any of your nozzles are missing. So you know what a nozzle check looks like by now, I'm sure. It's that kind of grid and it has the CMYK, all the white. If you have any nozzles that are missing, more than, like I said, just the sporadic 1 or 2 here or there, if there's any in a line, or if you have more than one missing, then you'll want to do a print head cleaning as well. But you likely, if you're printing regularly, this will probably come out fine. So we'll wait for that to come out and then we'll take a look at it to see. The third thing that you need to do, we'll talk about that while we're doing, is the print head cleaning cycle. Start each morning with a selective light cleaning. This is going to basically happen every 6 hours automatically. So it's not even really something that you need to do. But if the printer's 6-hour cleaning status displays time remaining, use a medium cleaning cycle on the white channels and the preventative cleaning cycle to reset the timer. So that's something, again, that's mostly going to be automatically done by the printer. And if you go to turn the printer off at the end of the day, which you can do, that's an option. It does not have to stay running. It will automatically do that cleaning for you. So here we are going to look at our nozzle check, and I can see I have one little missing block there. Otherwise, it's fine. So what we'll do is you're just going to take a paper towel and wipe that off, and you will be ready to begin printing for the day. So that's really all you have to do for the daily cleaning. It's not intimidating. You shouldn't be worried about it. If you are, like I said, Epson gives this great, really detailed schedule that will give you not only when you need to do things, but also exactly how to do them step by step. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to take care of your Epson 2100, which is really important to make sure you're getting the best possible prints every day.